Shahzad Ahmed Sahib. Mr. Kalim Shahzad Sahib earned Outstanding Achievement at Fairlawn High School, New Jersey. He scored 97 percentile on his SAT examinations. Mr. Shehraz Ahmed Qamar Sahib, son of Ijaz Ahmed Qamar Sahib, for Outstanding Achievement at Hayfield High School, Alexandria, Virginia. He scored 99 percentile on his ACT examinations. Mr. Farhan Ahmed Sunuri Sahib, son of Mr. Iftikhar Nagmi Sahib, for Outstanding Achievement at Vandegraft High School, Austin, Texas. He scored 97 percentile on his ACT examinations. Mr. Ali Abdullah Malhi Sahib, son of Mr. Mubashir Ahmed Sahib, for Outstanding Achievement at Troy High School, Michigan. He scored 98 percentile in his ACT examinations and secured a final cumulative GPA of 4.06. These four were the Ahmadiyya Talent Award Gold medalists. Now for the Ahmadiyya Talent Recognition Award, Mr. Shoaib Abul Kalam Sahib, for excellent achievement at National Graduate School. He secured a GPA of 3.84 in his MS in Quality System Management and also received his master's degree. And two finalists will just be announced for the Ahmadiyya Talent Awards finalists. Mr. Basal Ahmed Sahib, son of Dr. Mir Sharif Ahmed Sahib, for good achievement at Rutgers University. He secured a GPA of 3.73 in Mathematics and Computer Science Bachelor's. And lastly, Mr. Safwan Zahid Sahib, son of Mr. Zahid Iqbal Sahib, for good achievement at Merced High School, California. He secured 92 percentile on his SAT examinations.
Auzubillahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected Amir Sahib, nearly 3,000 members of Majlis Ansarullah USA serve in 70 majalis nationwide. Based on their number of ansars, these majalis are divided into small, medium and large categories. Majalis are recognized for the Best Majlis Award based on their level of hard work and sacrifice. Respected Amir Sahib, earlier this year, the National Amla Majlis Ansarullah USA, along with Regional Nazmeen Ala and Zoma, visited London to meet Hazur Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz. The winning majalis received their plaques and al-Mainami from the hands of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih during that visit. I will now only recognize the names of those best majalis. Third place in the small majlis category goes to Lats Bedgas Majlis. Second place goes to Phoenix Majlis. First place goes to Fitchburg Majlis. Moving on to medium majalis category, third place goes to LA West. Second place goes to Cypress Houston. And first place in the medium majlis category goes to Seattle Majlis and Houston North Majlis. Next is the category of large majalis award. Third place goes to New York, second place goes to Dallas, and first place goes to LA East and LA Inland. This year, the highest award in Majlis Ansarullah Al-Mainami is shared among LA East and LA Inland Majalis. This concludes the award announcement. Jazakumullah Ahsanul Jazak.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Each year, Majlis Atfalul Ahmadiyya USA recognizes its majalis based on a predefined criteria. Based on the tajneed, these majalis are divided into three categories: small, medium, and large. I will now announce the awards for the year 2014 and 15. In small majalis, third place goes to Fitchburg. Barakallahu lakum. Second place in small majalis goes to St. Paul. Barakallahu lakum. And first place in small majalis goes to Cleveland. Barakallahu lakum. In medium majalis, third place goes to Seattle. Second place goes to Milwaukee. And first place goes to Long Island. In large majalis based on the Tajweed, third place goes to South Virginia. Barakallahu lakum. Second place goes to Central Virginia. And the first place goes to Los Angeles East. Jazakallah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Al-Nami is given to the best majlis in Qudam al-Ahmadiyya, USA, as decided by the Al-Nami Committee. The award was first started on November 14th, 1939, on the occasion of the Khilafat Jubilee. Hazrat Muslim Maud himself decided to give Al-Nami to the best majlis. The first Al-Nami was given on December 28th, 1939, to Owaisa Jamaat. On that occasion, Hazur remarked, "I advise this Jamaat to fulfill the responsibilities of the flag." Prior to awarding Al-Nami, we would like to recognize the best region and a few other majalis. For best region, second place goes to Maryland. First place goes to Virginia. Small majalis, or under 20 Qudam. Third place goes to Oshkosh. Second place goes to Sacramento. And first place goes to St. Paul. Best medium majalis that are between 20 and 40 Qudam. Third place goes to Fort Worth. Second place goes to Chicago Northwest. And first place goes to Austin. Best large majalis, which is over 40 Qudam. Third place goes to South Virginia. Second place goes to Queens Majalis. And the Al-Nami for 2014-2015 goes to Majlis Qudam al-Ahmadiyya, Central Virginia.